Listen, as an African, the reason you're still struggling financially is because you've been fed the wrong advice your whole life. Saving money in today's economy is a losing game. And if you want to break free and build real wealth, you need to rethink everything you thought you knew about money.
Okay.
Stay with me, because this truth will change how you handle your finances forever. You've been told your whole life to save your money.
Yes.
Your parents told you, your teachers told you, the banks tell you. But I'm here to tell you that for most of us, living and working on the African continent, that is some of the worst financial advice you can follow. It's a trap designed to keep you financially stagnant while the world and the cost of living moves on without you. Think about it. You do everything right. You work hard, you resist the urge to spend, and you diligently put a portion of your salary into a savings account. But every single year, you feel like you're falling further behind. The price of fuel, the cost of rice, your rent, your data plan, it's all climbing. In Nigeria, inflation has been hovering over 100%. In Ghana, it's been even higher. In Kenya, the cost of basic goods is a constant conversation. Your hard-earned money, sitting safely in the bank, is losing its power. It's losing its purchasing power right before your eyes. You're not spending it, but you're losing it. This isn't your fault. It's because you're playing a financial game with a set of rules that were not designed for our economic reality. In the next few minutes, I am going to completely dismantle this outdated advice.
Okay.
I will give you a new 3-part framework specifically for building wealth in a modern, high-growth, high-inflation African economy. By the end of this video, you will understand why saving is a defensive move in a game that requires a powerful offense, and you will know exactly where to focus your energy and your capital to not just survive, but to build lasting, generational wealth. This is the foundation. Hey there, I'm Abdullahi Kaka. I am the founder of Arewaworld, and on this channel, I try to explore ideas around personal growth, finance, and inspiring global success, one story at a time. And if you find the information here useful, share with your family and friends. Perhaps it will encourage them, and you can subscribe for more. The first concept we have to understand is the silent thief, inflation. Let's use a simple example. Imagine you save 1 million naira today. If inflation is at 20% for the year, in 12 months, that 1 million naira can only buy what 800,000 naira could buy today. You didn't spend a single kobo, but you lost 20% of your wealth. Your savings account that pays you 5% or even 8% interest, you're still losing. You're losing 12% of your money's value every single year. Saving your money in this environment is like trying to fill a bucket that has a massive hole in the bottom. You can't win. The second and even more important concept is opportunity cost. Every dollar, CD, naira, or shilling you put into a low-yield savings account is a soldier you've sent to sleep on the job. That same money could be an active soldier out on the battlefield working for you 24/7. That money could be buying shares in a fast-growing African tech company. It could be invested in a high-yield agricultural fund that's financing cocoa or cashew exports. It could be used as a down payment on a plot of land in a rapidly developing suburb of Accra or Lagos, an asset that could double in value in a few years. The real cost of playing it safe with your savings isn't just the money you lose to inflation. It's the life-changing growth you miss out on by not participating in the incredible economic expansion happening right here on our continent. So, what is the new rule? It's simple, but it requires a profound mental shift. The new rule is not save and invest what's left over. The new rule is invest first and save for emergencies only. Your primary financial goal every month should be to convert your active income, your cash, into assets. Assets that either appreciate in value faster than inflation, or assets that produce their own income, known as cash flow. This means your savings account has a new, very specific job. It is not a wealth-building tool. It is a short-term emergency fund. It should hold 3 to 6 months' worth of your essential living expenses, and that's it. Every single bit of extra capital beyond that should be deployed. It should be put to work in stocks, in real estate, in a side business, in a high-yield fixed income instrument, in anything that will fight inflation and build your net worth. Stop thinking like a saver. Start thinking like an investor. A saver's goal is to not lose money. An investor's goal is to create more money. This mindset shift from being a saver to becoming an investor is the absolute cornerstone of building real wealth. It is the first and most important paradigm shift you must make. If this idea resonates with you and you're ready to go deeper, I've created a free comprehensive guide that outlines all 7 of these critical paradigm shifts for wealth creation in our unique environment. It's called the African Millionaire's Mindset. It is the foundational philosophy you need to navigate our economic landscape and build the future you want. The link is right at the top of the description below. Click it, download the free guide, and let's start building real wealth together. Thank you for investing your time with me today. If this was valuable, subscribe to the channel, because every other day we'll be breaking down another piece of this puzzle. Leave a comment below and tell me the biggest financial myth you were taught growing up. I'll see you in the next video.